Using the springboarding technique then means that you basically use the success and the clout you establish in one area in order to succeed in another. You can even use success in a job to impress a member of the opposite sex or to buy your freedom so you can go traveling. But to use this strategy, you do need to know precisely what it is that you actually want. This is why it is so important to have a goal and to have a plan. This is what you did right at the start of this course, writing down those wishes. You need to keep them in the back of your mind because life will twist and turn and it will throw unexpected curveballs at you. But if you keep growing and you keep on getting better and taking opportunities, you'll gradually be able to take the reins and wrestle back control. And this is also where lifestyle design comes in. I touched on this concept very briefly earlier, but basically, this means that you think about the life you want, not just the job or the partner, and then you go about making that a reality. The problem is that many of us don't really know what they want. That's why my friend ended up doing very well in a job he hated. And there are lots of people who do this. They equate money with success, and they think that what they want must be the same thing that their parents and teachers wanted for them. But you know what? Money only gets you so far. We've seen that you can use money to launch your own record label and become a rock star, but you can also accomplish the same thing by creating a YouTube channel on the side. That puts out the feelers to invite the opportunities. Many people think that responsibility equals success. They think the more they become the stereotypical adult, the more successful they will be. That means a suit, time away from the family, travel, important meetings, business. But deep down, they're still the same kid they were with the same dreams, and they'd be tons happier if they'd give themselves a break. Forget success for a moment. Instead, focus on what you want. If you want to be a musician, that's really easy. Only becoming a successful musician is hard. Would you be just as happy if you took that option to work the 4-day week and then used your day off to write music and hang out with your family? You could get all the same sense of reward from seeing your music do well and just enjoying it for its own sake. If you do decide you need an injection of more classic success and accomplishment in your life, then you can execute this plan until you're at the point you need to be. But just make sure that you remember to stop and smell the roses once in a while. Remember that you might already be in a strong enough position to make that sideways transfer and to create the life you want. It might just not be the way that you thought it would be or the way that others think it should be. In the meantime, focus on developing yourself. A lot of what I said here sounds easy on paper, but it's not. Dressing and acting the part? Not easy. Putting yourself out there? Not easy. Finding the time and the energy to work on projects and pursue interests? Definitely not easy. Most of us spend the majority of our time burned out and exhausted. Learning to value yourself? Hardest of all. Most people won't actually put the things I suggested in this course into action, and they'll blame the course. They'll blame me. Worse, they might blame themselves. But the actual solution is to recognize that while this might all look a little like luck when it works, the reality is far from the truth. It takes courage, smartness, and hard work. And if you're going to be capable of those things, then you should start by investing in yourself and learning to become better. If you find it hard to talk confidently in a group, then put yourself in more of those positions where you'll feel out of your depth. Maybe even try doing stand-up. This is an incredible way to increase your confidence right away. If you are too anxious to take time out of work and to take chances, then try taking up meditation. If you're too tired all the time to work on anything extra when you get home, then improve your sleep, start an exercise regime, and use the right nutrition and supplements regimen in order to boost your energy levels and feel great. Don't try and change things overnight, but instead recognize that this all takes time. Use the Kaizen approach to self-improvement so that you're finding tiny things you can change every day that will ultimately add up to massive differences in the way you feel and act. Even something as simple as getting the right haircut can boost your confidence, energy, and the way others perceive you. It all starts with you. invest in you, value yourself, and life will cough up. Thank you for attending this course. Please do subscribe to this channel and give the video a thumbs up.